Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and here I am in front of you all, and this video I'm going to make in English language since I want this to be spread over the whole world since it is a global topic as I could understand. So it's a topic of color, it's a topic of looks, and as you can see, COVID is everywhere in the world, in each and every country, and I am in front of you all as I am. I don't have any kind of shyness or any kind of regret that why am I looking like this. No, I'm proud of it. The way I look, I am proud of it because it's a precious gift of God to me, which He has given to me. I have all the possible pleasures in my life, all the possible happiness in my life, and I don't think so that just by the fact that others try to bully you because of your skin color, because of your looks. No, I don't think so. It should matter to anyone. It should not matter to you that how you look. You should have confidence in yourself. You should be confident enough to just give them an answer that no, you are nobody, dude, to question me or to pinpoint on me. And if at all you are interested to pinpoint on me, pinpoint, dude. I don't bother. And this is why am I making this video? Only because of simple thing that many people are affected because of this in this lockdown period and in this COVID situation. Everybody is facing their own issues, and I just want to say that, guys, please be proud of yourself, because each individual in this world has its own identity and no one could replace you. As I am Bhagyashree, so if I will go away from this world, nothing is going to change, and yes, the world will move on. And plus, there is no other replacement of Bhagyashree in this world. You know why? Because God has given me the qualities, as I know that I am blessed with many qualities. I'm blessed with many qualities. I am not exaggerating it. As you people could say that I'm exaggerating it. No, I'm not exaggerating it. I am just confessing this, that I am proud of myself. And yes, as you could see, there is one scar on my nose. I do not have any regret of that. Frankly speaking, I do not have any regret of that. You know why? Because this is a simple scar. It's not going to ruin my whole personality. I work in multinational company and I'm very well educated, God bless. And yes, soon I will go ahead and establish my career as I want, because right now I have not reached to that place which I wanted to reach in my career, but for sure I will go ahead and reach over there. But once again, I just want to spread this message to the world that whatever you are feeling in this COVID situation, please go ahead and speak out your mind, speak out your heart to someone, with whomsoever you are comfortable with. Please go ahead and speak out, so that we're just listening to this word, depression. It's not a what do I say of this, because you see, in Indian culture, as I am Indian, so in Indian culture, yoga is the best medicine to anything related to your mind, related to your body, anything. Yoga is the best, and I just want to use this yoga se hi hoga. It's a mixture of Hindi and English, so never mind. But we should do medication and we should do meditation for depression. Medication is another thing, but meditation, trust me, it will work. It will work for sure. And as people, I just want to enlighten one more thing. People used to just do not take mental health seriously. Please go ahead and take your mental health seriously, dude, because if you won't take your mental health seriously, then the bullying comments, those who just do not want you to reach to your goals and to just chase your dreams and get those be true, those people will succeed. If you will let them affect your mindset and let them affect your dreams, dude, you're going very wrong. And if at all you have any type of confusion, any type of what to say, if you're feeling low, then please go ahead and attach yourself to spirituality. And please excuse me for the background noises, because I have a kid who is very small and he won't understand in which topic I'm addressing you all. Please excuse me for that. However, he is making a very melodious sound, right, with his xylophone. So coming back to the point that please go ahead and speak out your mind, speak out your heart to anyone you want, but please do not try to put yourself down in your own eyes. No one can take your place, okay? And yes, color, you don't decide your color. Looks, you don't decide your looks. Features, you don't decide your features. The thing which is in your hand is your karma, dude. Is your karma, right? And just because someone said that, oh my god, this girl is brown, so what? I'm just proud of this texture. I don't feel any lowness in my life because of this. No, I'm proud of it. Yes, I have a brown skin. Yes, and it's a fact. Dude, why are you feeling uncomfortable? I'm proud of it. The attitude should be this, right? Because if you are confident enough, and yes, plus channelize your energy. Please do not waste your energy on these unnecessary bullshit. Channelize your energy to chase your dreams, to be the person as you want to be. Okay? And guys, if you like this video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Love you all.